Hey, what's going on? This is a episode on learning the JavaScript language. So I have this website here, it's Learn JavaScript Online, and I'm just sharing my learning experience with you in the hopes that it helps you and that you can comment down below your experience or some helpful resources to help each other learn to code and become a web developer. So Substrings, I'll just read through this and then I'll recap. They give you a recap at the end, of summary, and then you can practice the code, which is what I'm going to do, and you can follow along afterwards if you want to. Substrings. So you need to get a few characters of string rather than all of it, so that's the substring method. Substring index start, index end. Index end, the position of the first character you'd like to ignore. Up to 4 characters. Four is with index end. If it's 4, the first character that is ignored is 4. Ava. So he's declaring a constant variable. So beginning at index 1 and ignoring 4. Cast index start to be the same as the string length. That's all you need to know. So a substring is a part or a portion of a string. String.substring index start index end is used to return a portion of the string. Index start, the position of the first character you'd like to include. Index end, the position of the first character you'd like to ignore. The index end argument is optional, which means you can leave it out. Alright, so let's try this. Substring signature. I want to type it into VS Code. Substring index start index end. Alright, const language equal to Javascript. So 1 to 4. Language.substring equal to language.substring. Index start will have it at 2. Index end will have it at 5. So it's going to ignore the 5th one and start from 2. So it's going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to ignore C and include VAS. 0, 1, 2, yeah. VAS, let's test that in Node. It gives us VAS undefined, right? What I did there. Code node. Control J. substring 1 to 4. Language.substring 4 script. Language.substring 4. So that's the index start. We don't need to specify an index end. We'll just go to the end of the string. Script. So that'll be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Or does it count from 0? Yeah, it is. So let's be script. It'll include the S though. So now let's test it. Complete the function skip first character such that it returns all characters except the first one of the name it receives. Except the first one. Right. So we'd have it name dot substring. We'll skip the first one, which would be 0 index, and then all the characters except the first one, right? So that should do it. Return a string, return everything but the first character. Amsterdam, right. 1 second, I'm gonna close my blinds because it's shading my, or light shining off my screen is making it hard to see. That's much better. Am I shrouded in darkness now though? Nah, not really. I'm still visible. Complete the function get 3 chars such that it returns 3 characters starting from the second character of the name it receives. Returns 3 characters starting from the second character. So we want it 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, so I'll have it at 1. Name.substring is going to be start from 3 characters. 0, 1's name it receives, and it's going to return 3 characters. So we want to ignore the 4th one. L run. Yep, there we go. Bang on. L. Hello. Plus sign. Alright, this is the last bit, then it'll be the end of the video because it's getting quite long. Alright, so you can concatenate strings together with the plus sign. And it'll behave differently based on the types of variables you use with it. You can concatenate 2 strings, right? So let's add 2 strings together. Hello plus world. I'm going to add in a space there. And I'll just add numbers as well. So now let's test this. Concat initials such that it returns the first name initial followed by the last name initial. So we want to concatenate first name initial plus last name initial. Alright, sample usage. There we go. So that's the end of this video. I'll be going through the next section, which is template strings, in the next video. I thank you for watching. Comment your thoughts down below. What are you using to learn JavaScript or web development, or are you learning Python at the moment, and machine learning? I hope to make some videos on that in the future as well. Maybe make some trading bots, because they seem to be getting really popular at the moment. Like, lots of people are interested in them. So I hope to see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.